In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Shopify theme in just about 5 minutes. Shopify is a powerful platform that lets you create a stunning online store, and customizing your store's theme is key to standing out and attracting more customers. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to head over to Shopify's website. It's an easy beginning. Simply type in Shopify's URL into your preferred browser's address bar. Once you're there, you might notice a couple of options, but what you want to do is focus on the login link. This is your doorway to accessing your shop's backend, where all the magic happens. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter some details. Here's where it gets a bit personal. You need to type in your highlight, or in layman's terms, the email address associated with your Shopify account. Make sure you're entering this information accurately to avoid any login hiccups. Once your credentials are in, click on continue with email. This is a straightforward step, but it's crucial as it secures your entry into your Shopify's admin area. The internet being as vast as it is, you might have multiple Google accounts for various purposes. At this stage, Shopify knows that and offers you the option to choose the account you wish to proceed with. So go ahead and choose the account linked to your Shopify store. This streamlines the process and ensures that all your store's data syncs with the correct Google profile. Now, this step feels a bit like coming home. Going to My Store Home on Shopify. It's your dashboard, the command center, where you can see everything happening in your store at a glance. If it's your first time, take a moment to explore and familiarize yourself with the different sections and what they offer. Next, we're going to navigate to the online store section. This is where Shopify keeps all the tools and settings related to your store's appearance and themes. It's a bit like walking into the decor department of your business, where you decide how everything looks and feels. Here comes the fun part, clicking on Design Your Store in Seconds. Shopify offers a plethora of theme options to choose from. But it's not just about picking a theme, it's about making it yours, making it speak for your brand. This section gives you the power to pick a template as your starting point, which you can later tweak and customize to perfection. Now, let your creativity soar by typing in your idea for the themes. This is where Shopify really shines, offering a versatile range of themes that cater to various industries and aesthetics. Whether you're selling handcrafted jewelry or high-end tech gadgets, there's a theme that's just the right canvas for your products. And just like that, in a handful of simple, straightforward steps, you've started the journey of creating a custom Shopify theme for your online store. It's all about taking these foundational steps and then diving deeper into customization options, experimenting with colors, fonts, layouts, and so much more to make your online store truly unique. A couple of pro tips to consider as you embark on this journey. Always keep your brand identity in mind when selecting and customizing themes. Your online store is a digital extension of your brand, and consistency across all touchpoints is key. Secondly, never underestimate the power of simplicity. A clean, easy-to-navigate theme can work wonders for user experience, encouraging visitors to stay longer and explore what you have to offer. And of course, Shopify is designed to be user-friendly. But if you find yourself needing a bit of extra help, their support team is second to none. Additionally, there's a vast community of Shopify enthusiasts and experts always ready to offer advice, tips, and tricks to take your store to the next level. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to customize your Shopify theme, making it a true reflection of your brand. Remember, the key to a successful online store goes beyond just the products you sell. It's about creating a shopping experience that resonates with your customers. And it all starts with the perfect theme. Happy customizing, and here's to your stunning, successful online store.